The new Mercedes-AMG GT R, on the other hand, is only driver limited. The one thing that would hold this car back would be you. This super sports car will always be more capable than you, especially when you are constrained by the posted speed limits on public roads. But potentially it is only restricted by how brave you want to be. Tuned for the Nürburgring, it's capable of handling the bumps and lumps of public asphalt better than your average track-ready supercar that's been set up for the super smooth likes of Spa-Francorchamps or Circuit of the Americas. As such, to drive it on public roads requires commitment to potentially license-losing speeds, so it's best left to quiet places on the edges of the map. The beast of the green hell nom de guerre is appropriate in more ways than one. Its potential is best tapped deep in the countryside, away from all the trappings of civilization. The distractions are fewer there. More importantly, there's less traffic that could put the kibosh on a high-speed blast down a back road. This is the sort of car made to walk that line where road and track collide, places like the Ring, like Pikes Peak, like the many closed-course open road rallies that dot America. But once you give yourself permission to explore the GTR's capabilities, to push it past the edge of apprehension, this AMG proves capable of painting a smile across your face like few other cars can. The suspension excels at laying the GTR flat and true through every sort of curve the world throws at it, rear wheel steering and massive, grippy tires 10 inches wide up front and a foot wide in back, both an inch broader than the GTS build on that further, giving this car the sort of physics-bending ability usually only ever encountered in honest-to-God supercars like the Ferrari 488. But in spite of that capability, it's no spine-shattering carnival ride on rough pavement. Even in its firmest setting, the dampers don't punish the way you'd expect from a car as capable as this AMG. AMG's new range topper may be awe-inspiring behind the wheel, but it's also plenty capable of inspiring lustful thoughts when standing still. The aerodynamic amendments made to the basic, already alluring AMG GT design for track-focused duty add visual charisma, especially when you check the boxes to have items like the rear wing rendered in carbon fiber.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.